how to open files using specific programs. So most files already are opened by a specific program. For example, Word documents are typically opened by Microsoft Word, Excel files are opened by Microsoft Excel, etc. There's some types of files though that you can choose what you'd like it to open with. Two good examples of this are HTML files and image files. I don't have an HTML file right here to show you, but basically you can choose to open an HTML file in a browser, and that way you could actually see what it would look like if it were on a website. You can also open an HTML file in an HTML editor such as Text Wrangler, which is for the Mac, or I think Bluefish is one for the PC, Dreamweaver is one for both. So you could choose which way you want to open it. An even more practical one that you might find is images. So I have an image here, and if I just click it, it's going to automatically open to Windows Photo Viewer, because that's the default program that my computer has said whenever you double click an image, it will open in the Windows Photo Viewer. Now let's say I want to open this instead in Photoshop, because I have Adobe Photoshop on here. What you can do is right click the image that you want to open, and you can do this on your desktop, or let's say you had a Windows Explorer box open, you can do it from here as well, but I'll just show you on the desktop. You just right click and go down to Open With. Now here are the options for what can open this file. So Windows Photo Viewer was the one that was the default. There's also Paint, we could do a little bit of editing. Microsoft Office will open it, Adobe Photoshop, so you can just click whichever of these you'd like to see it open, and then it will open in that program. You can also choose the default program here, so if I click that, Windows Photo Viewer is the default, but I could choose that I want, anytime I double click it, for it to be Adobe Photoshop. So you just select that and hit OK. I'm going to go ahead and cancel because I do like having the Photo Viewer open it, but this way you have multiple options for how you want to open your files.